Hi, welcome to the DVC Shop YouTube channel. Today we're going to be showing you how to make the Valentine's Day cookie ice cream sandwich that you can find in the Dino-Bites snacks in Animal Kingdom. We're going to show you how to do it right now. Which one do you want to try? No. That one? All right. Whoa, I'll try this one. Ready? Oh my goodness, that's good. You like it? Is it tasty? I agree. Thank you so much for watching today. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe buttons below and check out more at the dvcshop.com website. Happy Valentine's Day!
Happy Valentine's Day!